Welcome to the future of education and entrepreneurship. Welcome to YouBazz. Imagine a world where learning is exciting, where students are inspired and young entrepreneurs are given the tools they need to succeed. We're not just an online platform. We're a catalyst for innovation and growth. Our mission? To provide high-quality videos, interactive courses, and games for individuals of all ages and backgrounds. For children, we offer a vibrant and engaging platform that sparks curiosity and love for learning. For students, we're your academic companion, providing comprehensive study materials and resources to help you excel. And for aspiring young entrepreneurs, YouBazz is here to support your journey from business courses to mentorship. We're your partner in success. Unlock your potential and unleash your creativity with our engaging and interactive learning experiences. Experience the power of education at your fingertips with YouBazz. But to continue our mission and reach more young minds and entrepreneurs, we need your support. Your contribution will go toward developing new content, expanding our platform's features, and reaching underserved communities. Your support will also help us offer scholarships to disadvantaged students and provide mentorship to aspiring entrepreneurs who need it most. Join us in igniting minds and fueling futures. Your support for YouBazz is an investment in the future, a future where knowledge, skills, and confidence can change the world. We have a range of exciting rewards and perks for our supporters because we want to show our gratitude for your belief in our mission. Thank you for being a part of this revolution. Let's make education and entrepreneurship accessible, engaging, and empowering for all. Together, with YouBazz, we can ignite minds and fuel future.